Hello everyone. In this tutorial I will show you how you can hide any particular drive on your laptop/computer PC. Sometimes you share your laptop with your friends, family, or someone else and you don't want them to see that particular drive because of privacy. Or sometimes at your home your kids might get access to the laptop and accidentally delete some important data. Let's begin. In the description of this video download 4 files I have created for your ease. Files downloaded will be: add code.txt, remove code.txt, add letter.bat, remove letter.bat. After you download these files you copy these files to your C drive. Now before proceeding further you will first have to check what is the volume assigned to the drive letter. For that you will just open the run command and type cmd and hit enter. And then type disk part. It will ask you yes or no, press yes. When the disk part black screen is open type list vol. It will display the volume details of your computer and there you will note down which drive letter you want to remove and what volume is associated with that drive letter. Then you just go to C drive and open the remove code.txt file and replace the vol and letter according to your settings. And then open add code.txt and do the same, I mean replace the vol and letter accordingly. This whole thing you will do just once. You don't have to repeat it again. Now once the files are saved again, double-click remove letter.bat file and if it asks for permission click yes, and there you go. The drive letter is gone and your data is not visible to anyone. And if you want to get the drive letter back simply just double-click add letter.bat and click yes if asks for permission. Done. Your drive letter is back. Now you know how you can safely protect your data without any software. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more tricks and tips.